Meaning of Mata Hari.
Mata Hari. Mata Hari.
Proper
Definitions. 1. The codename of Margaretha Geertruida MacLeod, 1876 to 1917. A Dutch exotic dancer and courtesan who was executed by firing squad for espionage during World War I. 2. A person, especially a woman, who uses seduction to obtain secrets or influence. Examples. 1. She was accused of being a Mata Hari, using her charms to extract military secrets from high-ranking officers. 2. The Mata Hari of the intelligence world was known for her ability to extract information from even the most tight-lipped sources.
Mata Hari. Mata Hari.